Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. I'm very happy to invite all of you to the celebration of 75th Indian Independence Day. Because all the leaders will be busy tomorrow, we have advanced it by few hours so that we can celebrate. On this happy occasion, we are going to release the e-books of two eminent parliamentarians also. Before I go into that, before I introduce the speakers, I just want to recollect. Tomorrow morning, Honorable Prime Minister is going to hoist the national flag at Red Fort at Delhi, and all the chief ministers are going to hoist the tricolor at their respective headquarters. At Chennai, Honorable Chief Minister is going to hoist the tricolor at the Fort St. George. Probably many people may not be knowing the first tricolor was hoisted at Madras on 26th January 1932 by one young person by name Arya Bhashyam. He removed that 148 feet flag post, a prestigious flag post of British Empire in Chennai, Madras Fort St. George. He escaped the eyes of all the security person. He carried a tricolor. In those days, 26th January was declared as the Swarajya Day by the Congress, then Congress. So he carried on 26th January 1932. He climbed up the 148 feet flag post at Madras in that midnight at 2 o'clock and then removed the British Jack and hoisted the national flag. Probably this is the first time a tricolor was even hoisted, bringing down the British Jack. That was one Mr. Arya Bhashyam of 25-year-old boy. That was the spirit in those days. Though our ancestors, our forefathers, they have fought for us and got the freedom for that. And he was associated with the great leaders. There are so many Arya Bhashyams in this country, in every state, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Karnataka, and Haryana, Punjab, everywhere. So let us today salute them and respect their thing. But unfortunately, when we wanted to write a cover story in 2016 or 17 in our e-magazine about Arya Bhashyam, I could not get any details. For nearly 20 days, I ran helter to shelter and I got one radio recording, All India Radio recording. And then I brought all the details, and with the growth of even with great difficulty, I could get one single photograph. So there are so many unsung heroes who have never bothered about what could happen, but they have all given the blood. And he was imprisoned in Madras Central Jail, and he was given 100 lashes. For every lash, he shouted Vande Mataram. That was the spirit behind the freedom fighters. With that, on how I was thinking how we can celebrate the Independence Day, that after 75 years, let us also remember or recall the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Today, we wanted to release two e-books. Last month, we released two e-books of eminent parliamentarians who Sansad Ratna awardees. Today, we are going to release two e-books. One is that of Dr. Veerappa Moily. He was the chairman of, in 16th Lok Sabha, he was the chairman of Finance Committee. He has made a lot of, he is very well-known person, very great parliamentarian. He was the former chief minister, he was the chief minister of Karnataka state, and he has held a very good portfolios in the central ministry also, like law and justice, petroleum, corporate affairs, and so many things. Dr. Veerappa Moily was heading the finance committee in the 16th Lok Sabha. He has presented 84 reports to Parliament. Out of the 84 reports, we requested him to give some of the best recommendations, which are very useful. So he has picked up and then he has given. That ebook also is going to be released. And the next is Mr. N.K. Premachandran. Dr. Veerappa Moily belongs to Congress. And Mr. N.K. Premachandran is a sitting MP, fourth time MP now. And he was a former irrigation minister at Kerala. He is a very well-known person in Parliament also. When he was a minister in Kerala, he was adjudged as the best minister by Asianet Television. And even as a parliamentarian, as a single man representing RSP, Revolutionary Socialist Party, he makes wonderful speeches. Probably his records are really great. And even the leader of the House, once he pointed out that he is the king of amendments. And whenever any bill is given in the parliament, presented by the government, he makes a very thorough reading and he makes a lot of amendments. Whether the amendments are accepted now or later, that doesn't matter. The way in which he speaks and analyzing the every bill is a wonderful situation. And when we release that, you also please go through his speeches, how he makes speeches. And every minute of the parliament, he will make use of that. And even if the speaker says, you please wind off, he will ask for 2 more minutes or 3 more minutes, and he will come to the point. And what a wonderful analysis he will make it. And we are greatly honored that both the great parliamentarians are with us and they are going to share their views. And both the e-books are going to be released by Mr. T.S. Krishnamurthy, former Chief Election Commissioner of India. He is also a legendary person. He has last month, he completed 80. We wanted to conduct our program, but due to pandemic situation, we could not do that. On behalf of the organizing Sansad Ratna Committee, Presents and the Prime Point Foundation and NGPL, I really seek his blessings for all of us. And really a legendary person in the Indian electioneering. And only because of him, and he only introduced with his signature EVM machines in all the 543 constituencies in his single signature. He was bold enough to introduce, and he has made a lot of reforms, whatever within his reason. Even nota, the word nota was coined by him. And he has also submitted some of the electoral reforms, which are still pending, even after 20 years, nearly 18 years, it is still pending with the various political system. And such a wonderful person. And former Chief Election Commissioner is going to release. And I welcome you, all of you. And I convey on behalf of Prime Point Foundation, Sansad Ratna Award, CMAX, and Presence, and NGPL, and Digital Journalists Association of India, I convey our greetings, 75th Independence Day greetings to all. Let us all enjoy the speeches of all the 3 legendary persons. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Now I request Mr. T.S. Krishnamurthy, former Chief Election Commissioner of India, to release the e-book of Mr. Premachandran. And please show on that title page, you please show on the screen and hold it. Sir, Srini, you can take a snapshot.
So a little bit back, sir.
Sir, I can more visible, sir.
Perfect, sir.
I request Mr. T.S. Krishnamurthy, sir, to release the e-book of Dr. Veerappa Moily. The next one, sir. Next one, sir.
Little bit back, sir.
Have you taken the snapshot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.